Welcome to Travelogue. This week, your tourism delight takes you to Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Uganda is a tourist paradise, a land of pristine natural beauty, and a tourist haven for visitors from across the world. Endowed with green, lush vegetation, arranged in a diverse landscape dotted with flora and fauna in expansive national parks. A journey to the Pearl of Africa is a memorable delight, and this country has a huge potential for wildlife safari, adventure tourism, and culture tourism.
Looking for non-stop entertainment at your fingertips? Then dive into a world of fun and excitement with MTN Play. Discover endless content for every mood, from exclusive music service offers to your favorite games, hot deals, and dope video content. It's all here. Visit play.mtn.ng to enter a playground of entertainment. Play your way today with MTN Play. Stream more trending comedy on YouTube for less. Dial star 312 star 800 hash for over 4 hours of MTN data at only 250 naira. Binge the latest movies on YouTube for less. Dial star 312 star 800 hash for over 4 hours of MTN data at only 250 naira.
Nature has positioned Uganda to host the source of the mighty Nile River, making it also home to some of the greatest primates on the planet, the gorillas. Little wonder then that Britain's Prime Minister Sir Winston Churchill described Uganda as the Pearl of Africa. A testament to the stunning quality of Uganda stems from a safari of the Bwendi National Park to meet the endangered and enchanting mountain gorillas who curiously share 98% of their genetic component with humans. Uganda is also the home of over 612 species of birds, buffaloes, elephants and hippos, as well as the famous tree-climbing lions of Ishasha at the Queen Elizabeth National. Lions are a rarity, but they are found in Uganda.
Kampala City. Clearly, Uganda is a jewel to unravel, and I think it's time to get your itinerary sorted and explore this unbeatable metropolis. Although others will argue that Kampala was built on more than 7 hills, and they are right, however, great emphasis was placed on the 7, which today we say are the major hills on which Kampala is perched. And if you've just landed in Kampala, let's first get you checked in. And trust me, the hospitality industry here is completely mindful of all its guests. So whether you're here for business or for pleasure, both budget and luxury hotels are available. Make a choice and you will be welcome. Depending on where you checked in for your accommodation, you could take a walk to a nearby craft shop and get a typical Ugandan feel through the art and crafts. Nestled in the heart of Kampala City on Buganda Road, Exposure Africa is a favorite for most people visiting Kampala, especially for the first time, due to its proximity. Are you contemplating buying a Kitengi dress, scarf, Kuyu bag, African sandals, or perhaps bangles, earrings, or African necklaces? Maybe your preferences are more cowhorn saucers. All of these and more can be easily found at Buganda Road Craft Shop. And while there, remember, there are no fixed prices in this market. The bargaining prowess of the shopper determines the price at which you will take away any of these beauties. It's time for a quick snack.
Well, I'm hungry and Kampala has loads of places to eat. But as per recommendation, let's try out the Prunes, shall we?
Prunes is basically an open-air restaurant in upbeat suburban Kololo. Once here, the sweet smell of coffee and freshly made cakes with quick service complement the ambiance. Perfect place to meet an old friend. And yes, you could order a meal from Prunes online. For visitors more inclined to the knowledge of who we are, Uganda's history, its people, and culture, then the Uganda Museum must be on your to-do list. Exhibiting ethnological, natural, historical, and traditional collections of Uganda's cultural heritage, the museum was built in 1908 and is the only one-stop facility that will give you a general representation of Ugandan roots. Every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday evenings of Kampala, Ndere Cultural Center is the place to be. The art of dance, the music, and an amazing cultural representation of Uganda's many tribes, the Ndere Cultural Troupe is iconic for its session drums and cultural rhythms. The word Ndere means flute. Ndere Troupe therefore means flute troupe. Please enjoy your evening.
Thank you very much.
Miss Tourism. Strategically launched to promote the tourism sector of this country, the aim of the pageant is to promote Uganda's tourism by showcasing Uganda's beauty as the Pearl of Africa. Under the theme, Let the Pearl Shine, the event is set to a distinctive class to get ladies who trust not only in their beauty, but brains as well, to line up for auditions to represent the country's tourism sector even abroad. Beauty queens continue to hoist Uganda as a vehicle for social transformation through public awareness and engagement, as well as rediscovering the country's natural endowments. And for a quick yet quite daring challenge whilst in Kampala, the Muyenga Quarry mountain climbing is an open adventure to members every day of the week. Visitors can also make climbing arrangements with the club for this renowned adventure. There is a range of different routes from beginner to more advanced climbers, and if you do not own any climbing gear, the club has some rental equipment for visitors. And for novice climbers, instructors are available free of charge.
I'm not so sure, but I think it should be in Osun State. I know that one, Abeokuta, definitely. Abeokuta. Kilimanjaro, oh my, I think, honestly, I don't know.
Again, whether you are in Kampala for business or for pleasure, you will definitely be dared by a Kampala nightlife. And when the vibe kicks in, this metropolis offers some hip aerial views and spots. The face of Kampala's nightlife is drastically changing, with new hangouts cropping up every now and then. Club Illusion, Kampala's newest, prestigious, and exclusive nightclub.
Leta chupa kuchupa Tobelekane vinkuba Kusaba tofuka yuda Chagala kunyumirwa wansi wenjuba.
Indeed, there's plenty of bubbly to be enjoyed while here, as the name Illusion suggests.
Lamble Uganda means to explore Uganda, experiencing its wonders and uncovering its secrets. In every corner of Uganda is a gem waiting to be discovered, and you could be key to unlocking it.
Why do I love Uganda? 3 very important reasons. One, it's a very colorful place. The language, the people, the sound, the food.
Thanks to its location on the East African plateau, Uganda is richly blessed with over 30% of Africa's biodiversity.
Let me tell you, Uganda has so many birds, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. I know not so many Ugandans even know that we have the healthiest arena of birds, but we've got so many birds in this country. If you took a boat cruise on the Nile for even just half an hour, you'd see hundreds of birds. Anybody from around the world who is a birder would come here and they would be shocked. So birding, big deal for me.
We all live somewhere in this beautiful pearl of Africa and hold a significant amount of knowledge about the attractions in our homes. Why not share it? Tulamble Uganda is a storytelling call to every Ugandan.
The views of the Nile are spectacular. You can swim anywhere in the Nile. There's so many activities that you can do in Jinja.
Every corner has a different package. It has a different offer.
Kabale is my third place in Uganda. Kabale district is so beautiful because one has Lake Bunyonyi. Lake Bunyonyi has 29 islands, and you can get to visit those 29 islands in one day. That is the most interesting bit about it.
It is an opportunity for you and me to share all the juicy details about the fun things we have done while traveling in Uganda and offering useful tips to enable others enjoy the same experience.
To be able to get the best of Uganda, you would need at least to miss out on. In my opinion, it would be the equator, given that there are 195 countries in the world, but of these 9, only 11 have both the north and the southern hemisphere. And of those 11, roughly 5 are found in Africa. And of those 5, just about 2 to 3 are safe to visit any time of the year.
Looking for non-stop entertainment at your fingertips? Then dive into a world of fun and excitement with MTN Play. Discover endless content for every mood, from exclusive music service offers to your favorite games, hot deals, and dope video content. It's all here. Visit play.mtn.ng to enter a playground of entertainment. Play your way today with MTN Play. Stream more trending comedy on YouTube for less. Dial *312*800# for over 4 hours of MTN data at only 250 Naira. Binge the latest movies on YouTube for less. Dial *312*800# for over 4 hours of MTN data at only 250 Naira.
iconic Palana Serena Hotel represents the historic beauty and modern luxury that Mozambique has to offer. Built in 1922, this Grand Dame of Africa is more than an exclusive place to stay. It's a well-known landmark in Maputo and one of the most famous hotels in the world. From its elegant swimming pool to high-end conference rooms and spa, the Palana Serena Hotel welcomes guests with unique Mozambican hospitality. Enjoy Mozambique in comfort, peace and style.
When you only want the finest organic food, precisely the way you want it. And as you come home, it is our privilege to welcome you. When it's business time, we have the most perfect environment. A quiet room awaits you for a treat after making that important deal. And if it's time for something magical, we are the perfect companions. How about a glass of fine champagne to crown the yes? And a splash of celebration. Come see nature meet sport. And how far we can explore together. Do not just wish for special moments. Let's go Serena.